out here with Buffalo family and friends. We're making 1,519 meals that's going out for Thanksgiving. And that's just a serving that we're putting together. So we're packing everything up. We're getting everything ready for Thanksgiving. We're gonna feed hot meals to people in the community. Your home sold guarantee, Reese Real Estate. We're here as a team, giving back to the community.
It's just the simple fact that everyone's smiling and being a part of giving back. So I just think that's very cool to do.
Why do we serve big? Why do we serve big, Kathy?
Because it's always, with Thru's Real Estate, from what I've learned from working here, it's always about going the extra mile and not just meeting expectations, but surpassing expectations and doing more for other people and more in what we do in our own lives and for ourselves. And so that's kind of what Go Serve Big means to me. Just
Absolutely.
go bigger.
You hit the
always go
nail on the
bigger.
head. That's absolutely what we do. We go big or go home. And so going home is not an option because we got to do more for the community. Not just in the community, we also selling houses. Selling houses help us be able to help the community. So send us your referrals each and every time so we can do more of what we're doing right now, as you can see. So thank you for the referrals as we go serve big.
Help us help others.
There you go.
But this is 12 years and it means a lot to us because when we started in our kitchen at home. And now this year we have our own community kitchen where we'll be able to serve over 3,000 meals for by the end of Thanksgiving. And different organizations and businesses like Reed to come in and give back to us and bring us items to hand out to the community. It means a lot to us, and it really means a lot to the recipient of the meal. They're gonna enjoy the rolls and the desserts because that's the first thing they normally eat. Then they get to the food. But we appreciate you all coming out, serving with us today and giving us your time.
Thank you.
Go serve big.